If you were just in a truck accident near Caledonia, you're probably dealing with more than just a damaged vehicle. You may be dealing with injuries, missed work, medical bills may be piling up, and an insurance company that's already trying to protect itself, not you. And here's what most people may not realize. Truck accident cases in Minnesota are very different than regular car crashes. If you don't handle it the right way early on, you can lose evidence, lose your leverage, and lose money that your family may need to recover. I'm Craig Steger. I represent people in Minnesota who have been injured in truck and heavy equipment accidents. And if you were hurt in or around Caledonia, Houston County, here's what you need to understand. First, these cases are about more than just the driver. In a truck accident, you may be dealing with the trucking company, the insurance carrier, multiple insurance companies, a maintenance company, or a company that loaded the cargo. That's important because each one may carry separate insurance policies. Second, timing matters. Minnesota requires certain accidents to be reported within 10 days, especially if someone is injured or there's significant damage. More importantly, evidence like driver logs, dash cam footage, and maintenance records can disappear quickly if they're not preserved. That's not something a general practicing attorney may always realize. Third, fault in Minnesota follows the 51% rule. What does that mean? Well, here's the simple version. As long as you are 50% or less at fault, you can generally still recover compensation. But whatever percentage of fault they assign to you, it simply reduces your recovery. So if the trucking company can shift even part of the blame onto you, it directly affects what you would receive. That's why building strong evidence early on, photos, video, witness statements, police reports, is very important. Fourth, these cases are often just a lot more serious than standard car crashes. You're just talking about higher speeds, much heavier vehicles, and often life-changing injuries. In Minnesota alone, thousands of truck crashes happen every year with hundreds of serious injuries. And a lot of them happen in conditions we know around here in southeast Minnesota: wet roads, icy highways, and rural gravel roads. Finally, what can you recover? Well, depending on the circumstances, you may be entitled to medical bills, your lost wages or other income, damage to your vehicle and equipment, and the physical pain and stress this has caused you and your family. But you only get one shot to do this right. If you or someone in your family was injured in a truck accident near Caledonia, just call or text the number on your screen, or go to the description below and learn more about how to work with me. I'll try to walk you through all your options, help protect your case, and make sure you don't get pushed around by insurance companies. I'll let you focus on recovery and you let me handle the rest.